In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Asana. Whether you're just getting started with Asana or looking to expand your collaboration capabilities, this guide will walk you through the process each step of the way. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to access Asana by opening your web browser and going to the Asana login page. Once there, you're going to enter your email address in the designated field. After typing it in, you'll click on the Continue button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Carefully type it in and then proceed by clicking on Login. With that, you've successfully logged into your Asana homepage. Now let's move on to inviting a new team member. On your homepage, look for the plus icon, usually labeled for creating new tasks or collaborations. Click on this icon and then select the Invite option. Doing so will present you with the opportunity to enter your team member's email address. Type it in the field provided. After entering the email address, Asana will ask you to select a project to which you want to add this team member. Choose the relevant project from your list, and upon confirmation, click on the Send button. This action invites your new team member and assigns them to the chosen project. They will receive an invitation via email, which they will need to accept. In addition to inviting from the home page, there's another way. Have a look at the bottom left corner of your Asana screen. You should see an Invite Teammates button. Clicking it opens a similar process where you can enter the email address of your new team member, select any project they're needed for, and hit Send. This alternate method offers the same functionality, just from a different part of the interface. If you're managing multiple projects and find yourself on a specific project's page, you can also add team members from there. Simply click on the Details section and navigate to the Assignee field. Here you'll have an option to invite teammates via email. Click it, enter the email address of the person you want to invite, and then send the invitation. And there you have it, you've successfully added a team member to Asana. This process enables seamless collaboration and keeps everyone organized. Remember, having all team members on the same page with Asana helps streamline communication and boosts productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.